Oh my goodness.
Sugar, lots of it. Yes. Ready, Nico? Nico. Yeah.
You are crazy.
Lost your baby mind.
Good thing about the sugar rush is there is a crash shortly
Yeah, well,
after.
hopefully it's around my time.
You okay?
It's pretty intense for her, I'm sure.
I'm afraid to let her out of her high chair.
That's a ton of sugar she just ate.
It is. It's the most she's ever had.
But times 5.
As much she's ever had her entire life, like
Yeah.
put together.
Yeah, probably. Of refined sugar? Absolutely.
What was that?
I don't know, man.
Oh my goodness. We might not get to sleep tonight. Yeah. Oh, all right. Oh, little cutie. All right, baby, you gotta take a bath now. You gotta take a bath. Say bye to the camera. Say bye. Bye, crazy baby. Bye, crazy baby.